can't understand the look in your eyes, girl. You don't even seem to want to compromise. After all these years of living and loving, the storm's coming up. I can feel my boat rocking, the waves are crashing, there ain't no stopping. Lightning and thunder, oh, they're getting louder now. Hey, I gotta be cool, I don't wanna bury the bow. Oh, when you lost your love, you seem to lose your rudder, and the current is strong, it's gonna pull you under. You're drifting away, but it don't seem to matter. No, it's time to hoist the storm jib. It's time to reef the main. Batten down the hatches, boys, here we go again. You know the seas are getting rough, honey, I can feel the pain. And the wind, it's howling like a hurricane. Oh, come about, sailor, it's time to meet the rain. It's time to meet the rain. Time to meet the rain. My compass, it's spinning. Gotta get my bearings, you know I gotta try to win. This fight in your love, and I'll weather the storm. I'll make it through, though I'm ragged and worn. I'll run home, though the sails are torn. It's time to hoist the storm jib. It's time to reef the main. Batten down the hatches, boys, here we go again. It's time to hoist the storm jib. It's time to reef the main. Yeah, now, batten down the hatches, boys, here we go again. You know the seas are getting rough, honey, I can feel the pain. The wind, it's howling like a hurricane. Oh, come about, sailor, it's time to meet the rain. 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 Time to meet the rain.